Hey everyone, if you love making reels and travel vlogs or want to share your journey videos in a unique and a professional way, then this video is for you. Today I will show you one of the best free apps to create travel map videos for your vlog. The app generally helps you to map your travel route beautifully so that you can showcase your entire journey in a single animated video. The best part is it is available on Android, iPhone and desktop version and it is super easy to use. You need to just enter the places you have visited. Like I am doing here for the five places, you can go at max to 10. Starting from Delhi, I am adding the different five places. You can add or delete the kilometers. You can change the travel routes. You can mention road or airways or any other means you have traveled. You can add the airport locations. You can add any historical reference place you want to add. So finally, when everything is done, you can add photos, you can edit names, you can change the locations, you can swap the places up and down, or you want to change the sequence in any way, you can do that in this stage. Once everything is done, and if you want to even add some good files, some AI videos, or some Google Map links, you can also add in this stage. Finally, you go for a preview. Once you have done, you will see the journey mapped out with full kilometer details, route lines, and animations. You need to be careful here because this app gives you only 10 free videos, so you can make sure to check your preview carefully before any export happens. Finally, when everything is okay, you can watch it in a bigger screen and see for any references, any changes, any markups you want to do. When everything is done, then finally we go for the export of the video in any format, shorts, long videos, or reel format, and download it directly. I've already created three videos using this software and result look super professional. If you are a travel creator or a blogger, this tool will really help you and make your videos stand out. So try this app and turn your videos into a travel memory with stunning animated journey maps. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more content. The app is Mult.dev.